Hellobit Exchange presents itself as a professional crypto trading platform with advanced charting tools, fast order execution, and multi-layer security protocols. Its interface is polished, offering real-time market data and portfolio tracking features that appeal to both novice and experienced traders. Some reviews highlight its intuitive design and cold storage implementation, suggesting a focus on user experience and asset protection. However, deeper investigation reveals serious concerns. A variant called HelloBitQ has been flagged by scam monitoring platforms as part of a network of fake exchanges, whose records show recent domain registrations despite claims of long-term operation. Users report blocked withdrawals, unresponsive support, and aggressive promotion via Telegram and WhatsApp, common tactics in crypto scams. The company is unregulated, lacks verified contact details, and has no licensing from any financial authority. Hellobit's public-facing platform may look legitimate, but its back-end behavior and unregulated status raise red flags. Until verified by a trusted regulator, it's safest to treat Hellobit as a high-risk platform and avoid depositing funds.